Hello and welcome. Before we start, if you have any questions about the strategy, etc., leave a comment below and I'll answer as soon as I can. For all other questions, send us a message on Facebook. A link to the Facebook page is in the description below. Or you can go to m.me/Oddbeaker. Just point your browser to m.me/Oddbeaker and that'll take you straight to the messenger page where you can message me directly. As far as announcements go, and aside from the fact that we have a guest who hasn't made an appearance in quite a while, yeah, see, he's excited to be here. We're still negotiating with ZuluTrade to determine whether or not I stay or go. We're kind of in the final stages. I think I sent them a proposal and I think they're going to counter, and one way or another we're either going to agree or one of us is going to tell the other to stick it. The other thing is, I think I mentioned this last week, but I want to mention it again. We've opened up the Facebook private investors group to my followers on ZuluTrade. So if you're following me on ZuluTrade, get on Facebook, go to the Oddbeaker LLC page and find groups and join my group. You just have to answer a few questions and agree to some basic rules. And I'll keep you up to date on everything that's going on. I post screenshots and charts and useful info about the signal, the algorithm, basically anything to do with that account. All right. So let's start. Last week, we ended the week with $716 and 186% profit. 5 trades were closed last week. 3 trades left open over the weekend. As you can see here, them 3 red lines are kind of bad news. So let's look at Monday. Yeah. So Monday, absolutely nothing happened. We got some pretty good price movement, but since we're stuck in this basket of 3, we can act on it. So no trades were closed. The 3 were still left open from Friday. Actually that was from last Thursday. So not a whole lot going on. Let's look at Tuesday. Still nothing, but look at that move we could have captured, man. That would have been so awesome. So yeah, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Right, we're still at 186% gains from the start. We're still waiting for these trades something to happen for retracement or something. I know, he gets all excited when stuff like this happens. All right, what about Wednesday? Oh, there's a trade that closed on Wednesday and a new one opened up. So we hit a stop loss and we took a loss. Did you want to say something, buddy? You want to say something to everybody? Huh? Oh, well, you got to be shy now. All right. So Wednesday we closed one for a loss. We opened a new trade. So that brought our balance down to $655, which takes us down to 162% gains from the start. And we lost $63 on that trade. So that was pretty gnarly. So we still got 3 trades open at the moment. You want down, dude? All right. So that was Wednesday. Let's look at Thursday. Boom. Thursday was worse. It was twice as bad. Dude, you want it down? I let you down. There you are. I freed up his play area a little bit so he could roam around. Oh, that's the other thing. He wasn't walking the last time you guys saw him. He can walk now. He's like a little demolition man now. Yeah. Aren't you, buddy? All right, let me get back on topic here, buddy. Is that okay? So Thursday we hit 2 more stops, which brought our balance down to $524. So $524. Man, that's crazy. So we lost another $131 on Thursday, which put us down to 109% gains from the start. And oddly enough, it only opened one new trade. I'm not entirely sure what happened there, but it opened one new trade. It didn't open a third. So now we've got 2 trades open, and let's go to Friday. So Friday, absolutely nothing happened. The price started to retrace a little bit, and you can see our break-even line. It's not really break-even, but it's break-even for this basket. We actually touched it, but didn't go past it enough to get out of this round. What, dude? Oh, you went back? All right, then. So Friday, yeah, it looks like we almost got out, but not quite. Another 7 or 8 pips, and we would have got out, which would have been nice. Actually, this one I don't think even needs to go that far. I think it only needs to go about 5 pips past break even. Is that right? It was 5? Okay. I'll take your word for it, buddy. Thank you. Okay, so like this was the most uneventful as far as activity, but pretty eventful as far as getting wrecked, which we totally got wrecked. I mean, we went from, let's see, what did we start at? We started at 186% and we ended up 109% profit. So we took a nasty beating. Which means I'm going to have to lower my lot size. Lower my lot size to accommodate the new balance. And what, dude? Dude, do you realize we're making a video? Huh? Yeah, we're making a video. You got to cooperate, okay? Unless you got to say something. You want to say something? Let's say, yo, what's up? For sure. Like that there. You say that? That was pretty good. So now I forgot what I was talking about. Oh, yeah. So it was a bad trading week. Like we got wrecked. We lost about half of our. What about a third of our previous balance? And that's going to take some time to recover, especially now that I have to reduce my lot size. But dude, okay, I'm going to put you down, okay? So that's it for the charts. Let's look at the Myfxbook. If I can find it. So this is nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, actually, I'm kidding, because this is... I'm tricking you. I actually left out some. If I go and click this guy here. Hello. That's what it really looks like. So we had this nice, beautiful growth all up to here. And then, bam! In a matter of 2 days, we lost all of that previous growth. Which kind of blows. But, you know, that's the nature of the game, right? When you play high risk, I mean, we're talking high risk, high reward, but, you know, high risk means this sort of thing is going to happen once in a while. And we're still more than double from the start, right? So it's not like a total loss. I didn't blow my account or anything like that. But I went from almost triple to just over double, which really blows. Let's look down here and see if anything sticks out. Let me see if I can hide myself here real quick. Yeah, so this month is just about over, and we're down 12% from February. So I'm not thinking that we're going to have a positive month. This may actually be the first losing month, right? Let me see. No, we had one. We had one in November. It was a tiny loss, 3%. But this one we're down about 12%. Right? What does that come out to in profit? Well, we've already figured that out too, right? So down $71 from the previous month. So, so we got some making up to do. And it's going to be a little slow going. I'll try and figure out how long I expect it to take, all things being good, let's say. But just know it's going to take a little while to get back on track. All right, so let's go back to the chart. Okay, so I think that's pretty much all we got. So let's wrap it up. First of all, I want to thank you guys for your support. You guys following me on ZuluTrade, big shout out to you. You're helping to build this business. Yeah, the ZuluTrade guys, right? And also, I already mentioned, we're in the final stages of negotiation to determine whether I stay or leave ZuluTrade. Hopefully that will work out well. I do, I like the social feed on there, and I kind of like communicating with my followers on there. But also I've opened up the Facebook page to those guys, so if things don't work out, you guys can stay in touch with me, and if you want to transition over to my thing, then that would be great. What is your problem, boy? Why do you get quiet when I get quiet? Yeah. Also, you guys following me on the Oddbeaker signal, big ups to you guys too, because that is helping me so much. There you go. See? That is really helping me so much. And I appreciate you guys. And if you are following me on the Oddbeaker signal and you're not on the private Facebook group, then what are you waiting for? Get on there. You need to be on there because that's how you stay informed about what's going on. And so it's really important that you guys get on there. What do you want, dude? I think that's it for now. Just I also wanted to mention the private investor group is going really well. We're getting new members every day, and there's a lot of good information there. There's tips on how to read my charts and so on and so forth. Like if you're on ZuluTrade, you can't really see the charts that I post because I can't post images on there. But if you're in the Facebook group, then you can see all the screenshots and stuff that I post with instructions and whatnot. Right? So how did we do? Dude, this is the part where I say how we did, okay? You with me or no? Alright, so how did we do? We started the week with $716 and we were at 186% profit. We ended the week with $524 and 109% profit. Oh, that just sounds so terrible. $192 loss, which represents 36% loss for the week. So we're down 36% in a week. We closed 3 trades for the week, and those were the 3 trades that lost us the 36%. Hey. One person talk at a time, okay? You got something to say? You want to say it? All right. Now it's my turn. All right. So yeah, we closed 3 trades for the week, and unfortunately, though, they were all losing trades, and they cost us $192, which really blows. But it's all part of the experience, right? You're gonna experience things like this, maybe not on such a grand scale, so to speak, right? Because we're really trading high risk for high potential, high reward. But if you're doing this for real, you're not going to be risking 36% in a week, right? That's just being greedy. But for educational YouTube videos, it's beautiful, right? So it's not hurting me anything. It's giving you guys valuable information. So for me, it's worth it, right? If you're getting something out of these videos, then it's worth it for me to do these things. Okay? So that's all I've got. Be sure to like and subscribe and click the bell button and select all so that you get notifications whenever I publish a new video. I publish a video once a week, so you're not going to get slammed with notifications. So that's really it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Did you want to say something, kid? Hey, say bye. Say bye to everybody. Right there, look. Camera, see?